In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 ways to improve your designs to help you to get sales on sites like Redbubble and other print-on-demand sites you guys may be using. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that will be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Here on the channel, we've helped a lot of people get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure that you are subscribed. And for those who don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand start guide that shows you guys how I pretty much got started and how I got my first online sales on sites like Redbubble. However, if you are someone who's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. So check that out if that is something you would be interested in. I just want to quickly say to those that watch my videos quite a lot, all of this week, I'm going to be uploading every day, bringing you bigger and better content every day. So make sure to keep an eye out for that. But as we jump into today's video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 ways to improve your designs to hopefully help you to get sales. Now, jumping straight into it, the first thing you can do to pretty much improve your designs is to use less colors. I've noticed a lot of people on their designs like to use quite a lot of colors. Preferably, I would recommend for you guys to use maximum 3 different colors. This is an example of what I mean. As you can see, this design says coffee is all that I need and my dog. Now, this is a niche that's somewhat trending, and obviously someone has created a design here to hopefully get themselves some sales. This is a design that personally I don't think would sell, but if the person who made this design is watching, or for you guys that do use a lot of colors, what you need to do in this situation is just to use less colors. I would maybe say go with the brown and black. Just make sure that you're not using too many colors. And a good example of what you should be aiming to try to do is something like this. As you can see, same niche, same text, just done differently. Once again, coffee is all that I need and my dog. They've used 2 colors. You can see the light brown on white. Now, this already looks like a design that I would be willing to buy if I was the target audience for this niche. And I hope this is just showing you how little changes can allow your designs to be a lot better. Obviously, they've got an image of a dog there. You could leave it as old text if you wanted to, but this design already looks 10 times better than the last one. So yeah, for the first of the 5 tips, it's don't be using too many colors. I know a lot of people actually do this. Sometimes they don't even think that they're doing it, but this could lead to people not actually buying your designs. And this takes me on to my next topic, and it is using bold fonts. Now, when you use bold fonts, it allows your design to stand out on the product. For example, if we take t-shirts, and let's say we go back to the design that I just showed you. As you can see here, the text is very bold, it stands out, it's easy to read, and people will have a higher chance of buying this. Because people that are in these niches, when they buy these shirts, they want them to be things that other people can see, other people can relate to, and things that could potentially be conversation starters. A lot of people put small text on their t-shirts and on other products and think it's gonna do well. If you do that, you decrease your chances of getting sales by a lot. So yes, guys, make sure you are starting to use bolder fonts moving forward. The third thing you guys want to be doing is you want to be creating sticker packs. Now, when I say sticker packs, I mean you want to look for niches that don't have too much competition and see if sticker packs would make sense in that niche. So just a quick example would be this niche here, so Doge Father. It's just over 1,000 results now, but as you can see in here, a lot of people that have actually made stickers have single stickers. There's one person here that's made a sticker pack that kind of already gets it, but this is something that you guys need to be doing. So let's say if I myself was creating a sticker pack for this niche, obviously I look at the title, so it says Doge Father. Straight away, that's linked to crypto. So I would see if I can put crypto related phrases on a sticker pack. So we might have one sticker that says Doge Father, one sticker that says buy the dip, one thing that says huddle, and you have 3 separate images on one, kind of like this, where when a customer buys the product, they'll get 3 stickers instead of 1. For those who don't understand the idea of sticker packs, it pretty much looks like this. Just to quickly show you an example, I've actually had this for a while. This is a sticker pack that I actually bought from one of you guys. As you can see, there's 5 separate images, but each image is its own sticker, so I could peel off each individual image if I wanted to. But yes, sticker packs are a game changer, and they'll make it a lot easier to get sales if you're finding small niches with very low competition. And it's something you guys need to be already trying to do if you're not implementing it into your shops already. The 4th and 5th tip I kind of linked, but we'll jump into this by talking about the 4th tip, and that is using the correct dimensions. Now, for those who don't have Photoshop, you can use photopea.com, which is pretty much a free online version of Photoshop. Once you get here, all you want to do is click on new project, and the dimensions that I recommend for you guys, especially if you're on Redbubble, is 5,000 by 7,100. For those that use merch by Amazon, 4,500 by 5,400 will do you just fine. But for this example, I'm going to make it mainly based around Redbubble to help out my Redbubble people. And yes, once you've set the dimensions, you have something that looks a little bit like this, and you can start designing straight away. And I mean, dimensions are mainly important due to the fact that on certain products, for example, greetings cards, if you're not having the correct dimensions, you will have white gaps on your greetings cards. A lot of people have that, and a lot of people struggle to get sales because of that. This will allow you to have optimized greetings cards, optimized posters, and these are products that people don't really look at that much, but they do sell. So you really do want to be taking advantage of things like this. And moving on to the 5th and final point, it's simple. It's pretty much using things like curved text. Now, a lot of people don't know how to create curved text, so I'm quickly gonna show you here. So I'm on Photopea, I've created my dimensions, so I'm just gonna select anywhere, and then I'm gonna we'll type in curved. So curved text. So the text at the moment is very small, so I'm gonna click Control A. If you're on Mac, you click Command A. Then I'm gonna size this to 500 pixels, so it's a bit bigger. Obviously, if you wanted to change the font, you could. There's a lot of variation in terms of font when it comes to Photopea. A lot of things you can play around. Let's say, for example, I go with this. So I've got curved text. All you then do is click on Warp, and then you'd go on Style, select Arc, and then straight away you have curved text. If you want it to be more curved, you can go on Bend, put it up, less curved, bring it down. And this is really cool to use, mainly because you can get curved text, and then you can add images to this to make your designs kind of stand out, kind of look different, however you want them to look. Once you have the top text, you can obviously add in bottom text, and you can warp it so the bend kind of goes lower like this. And then just like that, you allow yourself to have a design that kind of stands out a little bit more than just the average text-based designs that people create. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the 5 tips I wanted to give you in this video that could potentially help you guys to increase your sales. If you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. For those that watch my videos, just bear in mind, this week I'm going to be bringing you a video every day. So make sure to be coming back, checking up on the channel, and seeing what I've got to offer for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you've made it all the way into this video, down in the comment section, comment down improving, because the aim of the game is to keep improving. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.